Welcome back. Today we're going to turn this closet space into this with the French Cleat system. We'll first start out with a 3/4 inch maple plywood cut in 4.5 inch strips for the cleats. Next, we'll set up the table saw to cut the 45-degree angle for the French cleat. I basically doubled the width of the strip so that when I rip it in half for 45 degrees, I would end up with 2 strips of 45-degree cleats. Next, I run the strips through the table saw and cut off the sharp corner of the 45-degree cut. This will allow the cleat to sit flush, just in case if there's dust or any debris inside the cleat. Next, we sand all the cleats. Next, I decided to cut 2 different depth shelves, 16-inch depth and 8-inch depth. I then used my CNC to cut the brackets for the shelves. Having a CNC cut down a lot of my time. I can let this run while I do other things. then start sanding the brackets, removing the tabs and any of the fuzzy wood left over. Next, I use a 1/4 inch roundover to round over the corners. I ended up using Danish oil to kind of protect the wood and make it easy to wipe off if anything were to get on them. Time to empty the closet and prepare the space. I then mark the locations of the studs. I cut spacer blocks so that each top of the French cleat is 6 inches apart. I secure each French cleat with 1 screw in each stud. Now it's time to clean up all the pencil marks with the magic eraser. Now it's time to put the shelves in. I put the 16-inch depth shelves on the right side where there's more space, and I put the 8-inch depth shelves on the left side where the wall is more shallow. The beauty of the system is you can basically put the shelves anywhere, since they fit all on the same cleat. The beauty of this system is you can make different size shelves to fit the space, or you can even make specialty holders to hold different things. And here it is now. With everything moved back in, now there's space to walk through the middle and you can see everything at a glance. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.